Hey guys, this is a sound comparison test for the K&K Pure Mini pickup system. I installed this myself in a 1970s Suzuki Hummingbird Copy, and the installation process is probably was a little bit tricky, but I got there in the end. Just here, the manual and everything that comes in the box from K&K has everything you need, and it's a really well wrote instructional video. So I won't really say much about the sound comparison on this because sound is such a personal thing. One thing that my ears love, your ears might hate. So my ears are still getting used to the pickup a little bit as well, just because I've been using all the time a diesel signature Mini Maton by Maton Guitars in Australia. It's a phenomenal live guitar. The AP5 system in this guitar is just spot on every single gig, and yeah, you can thump the crap out of it, and it never misses a beat. So yeah, so here's a couple of sound examples for you, which might help in deciding if the K&K is for you. So I'm just using EJ10 D'Addario strings, and yeah. Yeah, so there you go, guys. Yeah, I'm happy with the pickup myself, and yeah, I got recommended this pickup by an Australian artist, namely your. I'll put his link down below in the description as well. He's a phenomenal Australian artist, so yeah, check him out as well. Hope this helped, and yeah, take it easy.